Charlie just realized where we are. Sorry if you couldn't hear that. Charlie just realized where we are and realized that we're almost where we're gonna meet up with Jerry. And she recognizes the area. And this is how she gets. She's just so excited, which is very conducive to driving. Hi, Charlie. Yes, hello. I know you're excited. You know, she wants that light to turn green. Oh, yep, she's gonna start walking because I'm going too slowly. Off we go, Charles. Nope, nope, off the wheel. Stay off the wheel, Charles. Nope, not on the wheel. This is great. This is fun. She's just super excited. She knows she's about to meet up with Jerry and hang out. Yep. If anyone was wondering what it's like to drive with a macaw, oh, this is it. It's great. Highly recommended. It's one of my favorite ways to drive. All right, Charles, we're here. We're here. Calm down.